Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Debarman from gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. Today we discuss about Git and GitHub completely in short. In this video, we cover what is Git, what is GitHub, set up Git environment and GitHub environment, check GitHub username and email ID, link Git with GitHub, add and commit file in Git, push Git file in GitHub, how to create Git branch, what is Git branch, as well as how to push Git branch in our GitHub, and finally we see how to delete all the files and Git branch and everything. Whatever we discuss in this video, we discuss in short because we fully detailedly discuss in our previous videos. So check this out. Now start with Git. We already know that it is a version control system. It tracks our file and help to collaborate with others and other peoples. It is open and totally free and open source. Now what is GitHub? GitHub, it is a website where we upload our repository online, and it display us or it visually interface our file. Whatever we push or add in our Git, that visually display us that this and this file we uploaded in our Git repository. Now set our environment of Git and GitHub. Let's go to open your browser. First search for Git. In this first link, download from here. Okay, and for GitHub, search for github.com, and this is the interface of our GitHub. If you are new, then create your account. If you have, then sign in. Then after that, create a new repository from here, or you can create a repository from here as your wish. So create new, give your repository name like I'm gossipfunda. I have already, so I give one gossipfunda 1, and then create your repository. Now here some we show some commands. These are those commands which we need to link our Git with GitHub. For that we have that git remote add origin and then our GitHub repository website, or we can say link, that GitHub, our GitHub repository link. So how we connect it? So first create a folder, new folder only. Now create some files. That's 2 files we have. Now from here we first we start our Git repository. So go to Git Bash and type Git. Wait for a minute and type for Git init for start our Git repository. Now we can see initialize empty Git repository, that is .git. Okay, now link our Git with GitHub. Go to browser. We see this link. Copy this link and paste over here. Okay, and then enter. It connect our GitHub link with Git. Now first and then add this 2 files in Git. Git add dot. We already know that git add dot is the command where all the files are added at the same time. And then git status, for check we have added these 2 files, and now commit -m and then message that first give always a valid message that which remind you that why you commit these files again and again. First files, and then enter. It's created. Now how to push that git file? First check that git status, no branch, nothing to commit. Now let's these two files push in our GitHub repository. Okay, so for that we open browser. Here we see that git push -u origin, then we have main. This main is our the folder or git repository name. So in our git bash we see we have master repository name. So what we go for it, git push -u origin, and for for we have here main, but in our repository we have master repo name. So we go for master and enter. Sorry, it master and enter. Now it posts all the branches to our git repository. Now refresh it, you can see that we have two files here. Okay, this is up to git commit. Now minimize this. Now let's create a branch. So git branch, what is git branch? Git branch is a copy of your main repository. Okay, so we have already master, so we create a duplicate copy of our master one. So we add git branch for and gossipfunda, enter. It created we created a branch. Now check that how many branch we have. For that, only git branch. Okay, so we have two branch, one master and one is gossipfunda. For when you see that the branch name is green, then it defines that we are working on that particular repo, or we can say that we are present in that particular repository. So if we change our repository from master to gossipfunda, so for that git checkout, and then so we write misspelling, so it is gossipfunda, and then enter. Now again check git branch, and it will change our git, we switch our branch. Now come to push our branch in our GitHub repository. So for that, git first check our which branch we are in. So for that, git branch we are in gossipfunda. Okay, so let's push our gossipfunda to its gossipfunda to our GitHub repository. For that, git push -u origin, and then our branch name, that is gossipfunda, and then enter. Now we see that that HTTP link new branch and gossipfunda. We have tracked remote file. Now let's add these files in all gossipfunda. So for that, git add dot git commit m. Let's write branch push, and then enter. Nothing to commit. Okay, nothing to comment because we already post our files in our main branch. And now first do some changes like Control S, and here Control S. Now open Git Bash. Let's run git add dot git commit -m and then change, enter. A two file committed, sorry, not committed, it's a two file is commit. So now let push in our git branch. So for that, git push -u origin, then gossipfunda. Okay. Now it's push in our gossipfunda branch. Now let's check. Open your Google, refresh it. Now refresh it. We see we have here two branches. First check these branches. We have one master branch that is default, and then we have gossipfunda, and the active branches are gossipfunda. Let's delete this gossipfunda. For that, git branch gossipfunda, then enter. Sorry, that's not the git branch. Git branch -d and then gossipfunda. Okay. That git warning that deleting branch gossipfunda has been deleted. Okay, delete branch. Now check again. Git branch, we have only the master branch. Let's delete files and folders. How we delete our files? For delete our files, first check that we have that's a two file. So copy the copy with quotation. Okay, right, git rm and then paste. Okay. Enter. Let remove from here. Now again git add dot git commit -m, delete, enter, and then push origin -u and then or repo name. Sorry, it's git push, not only push. Git push origin master. Okay, it'll take a little bit time. Let's track our branch. Now again check. It's so that we delete our file, the first one file, and it remain we have only the one file in our file. That's it. So that's why it's so one file. For what we see, if we delete or any do changes without the push command, it didn't track our file in our GitHub repository. It track our file, whatever we do changes in Git repository, it track in Git Bash. But for GitHub repository, we have to push in our GitHub repo first, then we see the changes. Let's check our GitHub username and email ID as well as the Git version. So for that, git first git -- version. It shows the version. Now for git user and email id. So git config minus minus global and user dot name, and for email id user dot email. Okay, this is how we check our username and email id and also version. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to put your queries in our comment box, and check out our Gossip Funda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box. Please check out. Thank you.